This is honestly the biggest Chanel unboxing I've ever done on my channel. Hi guys, I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings. So if you're interested in any of that, then consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified each time I post something new. On Thursday, I posted a shopping vlog from Chanel sales. I tried to show you everything, all the beautiful eye candies, and as you can see from behind me, I found a lot of amazing pieces. And honestly, I had this very bad feeling after I came home with all these bags. I was gonna puke, I swear. I didn't feel well at all, but at the same time I was calming myself because most of the stuff in here will go to my mom and my little sister, so that's fine. I always shop for the whole family since they're not here, and shopping in Europe is so much better than back at home where they live, so I always find some amazing pieces for them too. But also it is my birthday tomorrow, so you're watching this on Sunday and my birthday is on Monday the 6th. It is actually in a couple of days. I'm filming this in advance, but since you're watching this on a Sunday, it is tomorrow for you guys. So I thought, well, I guess it's fine because this could be my birthday gift from me to me, I guess, and I wasn't that mad at myself. I'm so excited to finally share everything with you guys, so without any further ado, let's begin. So there is no order, I'll just grab a box and open and show you what I picked up. But funny thing, can you see on some of the boxes there is ribbon, it's all pretty, and on others not at all. But basically I went to two different Chanel stores. One is located in like a mall area, it is a smaller one, and then there is a main one. So when I went to the mall one, they didn't wrap anything, and even the wrapping that was inside the boxes already for the shoes, they threw it all away, and instead they just put one piece of paper inside and that's it, because probably they think, okay, you're buying this on sale, you don't deserve a nice packaging. But then I went to the main store, I found some more beautiful pieces, and as you can see, they wrapped everything so nicely. You cannot even tell if I bought this on sale or not, but everything was 40% off pretty much. I tried showing you the prices on the bottom of the soles and everything, on the tags, wherever I could find them. Let's get started. Let's start with the first box. It is right here. As I mentioned before, some of this are for my mom and my little sister, and let's see. Okay, this is something for my mom, and I bet she's very excited about this item because she doesn't have anything like this. So as you can see, the box, the dust bags, and here's the paper, one single paper, and she picked up these gorgeous sneakers. Can you see? They're so cool. They're exactly the same as the sneakers that I got. I think I got mine about 2 years ago in black and white, and I love those to bits. So recently I was speaking with my mom about sneakers in general. I told her that these Chanel sneakers are the best, the most comfortable shoes I've ever had in my entire life. And she was like, I really want them too. Do you think they still sell them? And I'm like, no, but it's such an old collection and it's not there anymore. And then I walk in the store and I see this. It's exactly the same shoe but in blue. It is a little bit different on the side, but I mean the rest of the shoe is exactly the same. The sole is exactly the same, and I think this color is so beautiful. It's this blue color. On the camera it looks a little bit electric blue color, but honestly it doesn't really look that bright in real life, but they're so amazing. There is a second one, but I'm holding the box, so it's not really, I can't really show you the second one. And they also come with additional shoelaces, which is nice. One thing that I've noticed is that the inside of the shoe looks like a towel. Like this material feels like a robe material or like a towel material. So I think these ones are gonna be even softer than the ones I have. They were only available in her size, which is 36, the smallest. And pretty much all the shoes were in 36. and that's it. So she was pretty lucky because she could actually choose between different shoes, because for me, I couldn't find anything. There were barely 5 pairs of shoes in my size, so I guess about 90-95% wasn't, and for my mom everything was in 36. Then let's move on to this box in here, and this is actually something for me. Initially I was supposed to give them to my sister, but she ended up liking another pair in the second store I went to, so she was like, you can keep this, you like them more anyway. Okay, let me put the box down. And here is the shoes that I picked up. They are gorgeous, aren't they? They're so beautiful. I remember when this collection was just released. I'm not sure when exactly. I was so obsessed with it. I thought this whole part looked so cool with the chains and the little CCs in here. I was honestly obsessed, but it was completely sold out. You could not find these shoes anywhere, just like the Chanel shoes, I believe. So I was so excited to see them. These ones are in suede leather. It feels so nice. It feels like you're stepping on clouds because of how soft the shoes are, but at the same time they're a little bit too warm. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work when it's like boiling hot outside. We'll see, but during the evenings I can easily walk in them, and I love the color. It's this blue color. I really like it. You know how much I love blue, and I have a lot of blue bags, so I think this is perfect. By the way, guys, I am using the new lens on my camera, which was a gift for the 1-year anniversary, the wedding anniversary. My hubby gifted to me. I don't know how he found out that I wanted a new lens, but I was looking for a new lens so I can be more focused, and then the background would be a little bit more blurry. So I'm using a new lens. I'm not sure how it works just yet. I'm still figuring it out, so if it turns blurry, I'm so sorry, but I'm working on that. So now let's move on to another box, which is right here. You can't even see it, but it's over here. This is again something for my mom. She went super crazy, and since she had such a huge variety to choose from and everything was 40% off, so the pair that she picked up is this one in here, and they are so gorgeous. This was the only pair left of this style, but actually my mom got 2 of this. So she got this one, and then she got the beige ones. And I'm gonna be showing you the beige ones in here. I'll post them on my Instagram and I'll explain why. But she got these black ones. They have some pearls inside with the chains. They look so beautiful, so classy and elegant, and I love how versatile they are. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. If you want to wear them to dinner, you can easily do that with like a dress or a skirt. They will look absolutely stunning, but at the same time you can dress them down and you can wear them during the day and they will look fabulous regardless. So she was so lucky they came in her size, but I think this was such an amazing find. I mean, so pretty. Now guys, let's open another box, and I think it's gonna be this one because it is the closest one to me. This is actually the shoes that I picked up for my little sister, all wrapped up so nicely compared to the other shoes. But let's open. I'm pretty sure she doesn't mind I open them because I'm not sure I'll be taking any boxes with me when I see my family, and I really hope I'll see them soon. So the whole situation is so unstable right now. We're not sure if we'll be able to travel this summer, but I really hope we will, and I really hope my country won't go on lockdown again. But we never know, so we'll see. So guys, the shoes that she picked up are these beautiful slides. They're a mixture of blue and black. They have this cute little camellia flowers all over, tiny little CCs over here, so you can take a look. So pretty. Can you see there are some blue flowers, some black flowers, the CCs over here in the front, so cute. She really loved them. She wanted a pair like this. She wanted something with camellias. Let's open the next box. which is here. This is the last pair that my mom picked up, and from the sides you can see that it's not just the sandals, it's the boots, and they are amazing. They're so beautiful. So guys, here is the shoe. I'm showing you only one because the other one is in the dust bag and it's so difficult to take them out. So this is the shoe. It is so beautiful, so nice. It has some pearls over here with some crystals. It's all in gold hardware. Then at the back there is a CC logo in here, which is so cute. It has a zipper on the side, which will make it so easy to put this on. And in the front there is this beautiful quilting, which reminds me of the classic flaps. This is just so stunning, and when I saw them I was so surprised. They went on sale and the price was really good. I think they retailed for around 1,500 and I got them for 880, which is such a bargain for such beautiful and classic Chanel boots. And so now guys, I have two more items to share with you. Both of them are for me, and there's some costume jewelry. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw them. These were so hard to find without any discount, and with 40% off, I think it's just pure luck. I swear it was pure luck. So the first one is in this box. Can you guess what's inside? This is honestly so special and I didn't think I would even get it. Let's open the box. Oh my god, it's wrapped so nicely. I don't want to open it, I swear. But let's do this. Oh my god, it is perfect. Are you guys ready? I don't think you are, but anyway. So I picked up this beautiful Chanel choker. It is so stunning. Let me take it out. So this is what it looks like. It is too beautiful, and I love that it has this CC charm. Let me put this on. I honestly thought it was a mistake that it's there in the sale section. This was so difficult to find. I know these chokers were so popular, but I wasn't sure if I should get this one with that one, and then my mom was like, just get both. Get both, they're such amazing pieces, and so I did, and honestly no regrets. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is blue. I couldn't really tell. I think it is so cool for every day, and I think it just makes any outfit look so much better. Even with this shirt and with the choker, it looks so nice. A little bit too edgy for me, but I really like it. I think I made it too tight. It's hard to breathe. And so here is the second item, also wrapped so nicely. It also comes in the pouch. I have never bought any costume jewelry from Chanel except for these earrings I'm wearing right now. They were the first one. I have two brooches, I think, but I never bought anything like a choker or anything like this. This is so special. You're gonna die when you see this. It is so stunning. I got the Chanel necklace. It is honestly too good to be true. Let's do a little close-up. It is so stunning. It has some crystals inside. Because of the light, I'm not sure you can see it. Okay, so I switched off my lights and I think it looks better now. So beautiful. It has these crystals inside. The rest is in pearl, in this champagne gold hardware, and it comes with 3 rows of pearls at the bottom, which look so beautiful. Okay, so let's put it on. I think it looks so beautiful, even with this black shirt. So what do you guys think? It is so beautiful. It is also so classy and so chic. So nice. This is actually my very first Chanel pearl necklace. I've always wanted one. I just couldn't find the right one, and I didn't want to spend over 2,000 on a pearl necklace, which is a costume jewelry. I'm not even sure if they use real pearls for their necklaces, but it is so beautiful, and 40% off is a lot of money. I saved almost $1,000 on this necklace, which is a lot of money. I know, it is so much money, and I can't be happier. I also love that it's from this exact collection. I really did like it. I think I can style it with so many different things during winter, during summer, with shirts, blouses, tops. And I know that I'm gonna get so much use out of it because it's so beautiful. It's such a staple piece. I still can't believe it's mine. And all the essays from the stores were like, oh my god, you picked up the best pieces ever. The best pieces that we had, and I think they're right. Anyway guys, this concludes my unboxing. It's everything that I picked up. What do you think? What was your favorite piece? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.